It hurts.
That's pretty sore. I mean, you really are. You're tolerant to some pain.
Why?
A lot of people like do jaw surgery because of the beauty, but in my situation, it's not about the beauty. It's about if I need to do this or not for the health.
Tongue up for me. Can you push your tongue up to the top? Good. That's what I'm going to get open real big. Does that feel okay?
Come lift it up.
Almost. Okay.
Oh. I can't put my hand. I can't. The color is changing.
If it feels like it's going into your throat, just lean forward. Okay. And breathe through your nose.
You gotta relax your lips.
It's too tight.
Relax your lips just a little bit if you can. There you go. More, and then on the anterior.
It's very uncomfortable.
There's some cups over there if you want to get up and rinse and clean up a little bit. And then he'll be in just a second.
It makes me want to throw up. It was very uncomfortable. It makes me want to throw up and it hurts my gum. There's a cat. So cute.
More soreness on your right part of your head or your left?
Temple.
Both temples,
Yes,
both of them? Okay.
Yes.
Both of them. You wake up, a lot of times your jaws feel tired in the morning.
Yes.
Yeah, okay. That's what I'm telling you. Alright, popping in your jaw. Do you feel it popping more
Yes,
right
I
or left?
can. Both sides. I can hear it
That's
popping. It's happening since when I was a child.
Like when you yawn, it kind of hurts sometimes when you yawn.
I can hear. Open my mouth. I can hear it.
Alright, bite down. 8mm over jet, which is large. Alright, slowly open. Alright, good, right there. Alright, bite down again. 4mm over bite.
Is that normal?
No, it's not normal. Alright. Well, class 2 molar, 2mm. Class 2 molar, 3mm on the left. Of course, she's ground that cuss tip off. 3.5mm right side, class 2. I'd say left side, 4mm, class 2. 2mm, 3 and 3, and lower 3 and 3. Alright, size of teeth, normal towards small, 9.5mm, 8. Alright, bite down. Alright, say ah. Say ah. You never had your tonsils taken out? Say ah. You don't remember your tonsils being taken out, do you? Did you ever have surgery in the back of your throat?
I need
That's
to
what.
ask, I don't
Yeah. Alright, say ah again. Say ah. Alright, bite down. The lower is to the. Do you notice more times breathing through your nose, or you notice yourself breathing through your mouth?
Yes. Through the mouth.
Yeah, that's what with the snoring kind of issue, that's what I'm wondering, because I see that issue. But the thing of it is, come up, then I look at her nose, it is the narrowness. The android is the big round back. Think about it. When you bite your fingernails, what happens when you break the fingernail? The teeth go and they chip. So what happens, like a windshield, over time, you will see little cracks in the end of your teeth. It can break your teeth. As you get, you're not necessary now, but as time goes on, it will break, it will chip the ends. You see it kind of, just because you're going, you know what I'm talking about. You know when you break through, it's like, you see my picture of what I'm saying. It's just because you don't want to chip it. You have beautiful teeth. Do not mess them up. Smile. I'm a dentist. Smile. There you go. Smile. that's what I gotta say. All right. Okay. Yes. Smile. Smile like you're laughing. That's what I want to know. 4mm. All right. Now. Okay. Now here's the fun part. All right. Look straight at me. All right. I want you to say 555.
555.
555. Okay.
555.
All right. 66.
66.
All right. Tommy went to town.
Tommy open to tongue.
There you go. Here, I want you to count from 60 and count to 70. 60, 61, 62, just count.
60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
All right, bite down. See, what I'm looking at is I'm looking at upper midline compared to lower midline. And you're seeing that pattern, whether it's joint issues or tooth issues. I'm seeing some issues. Start again. All right, see, again, she has a 4mm overjet, 4mm overbite, 8 for overjet, 4 and 4. Okay, all right, so 8 starting. What you do is kind of like a deal what you call a phonetics bite. When you check and see, okay, where did the jaw go? Because I'm going to do something, and that's what I'm going to check on this a little bit, and I'm actually going to get her to go do a JBA on this, and we'll see this. All right, so again, I want you to count, start at 60 and count to 70.
60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70.
Yeah, so see, I'm looking at the midline and see when she says her S's, at least she does come up here. When she does that come forward, the jaw, of course, the profile looks better. It's a little straighter. You know what I'm saying, for being a little bit behind, and you can see that cephalic X-ray, how that it's called a, retreated retrognathic kind of. But that's what I'm seeing, and I'm seeing that issue, but then when she comes over into the S's, and that's kind of when we take sometimes a phonetic bite, you do off your S's and you sew that jaw. Okay. Oh, think about somebody who has no teeth. Take their dentures out. They can't arch the bob, both teeth, and your teeth, your S's. Your S's, I don't know, your S's. You don't realize that so much. You just talk, I know. But you go right there. You do very well. I'm not kidding. She does extremely well. And so that jaw comes forward. All right, now, bite normal. All right, now just open. All right, bite down. All right, open. Yeah, so her opening is not very wide. She can't get a Big Mac in her mouth too good. Your average opening should be 48, 50 millimeters. She's very limited, and I'm going to show you part of those issues. All right, bite down. All right, open again. You feel a little grinding, or do you feel it more right or left?
Left.
Okay, all right, okay. I'll let Crystal check that. I want a JB on her too. Does your mouth feel sore after I've done things and talked? Is your mouth sore, jaw sore?
It's fine.
It's okay. All right, okay. I want to make sure it's not too sore because it may limit when I'm doing this test. Bring your jaw as far forward as you can go. You can't go any farther. Now I want you to move your jaw either right or left as far as you can go. All right, right there. Hold it. Far as you can. Okay, 8.5 to the right. And I want you to open as wide as you can. Right. Sore on when I push right there?
Yes.
Like 1, okay, a little bit 2, 3's like, don't touch it, okay? Like a 1 maybe, sore.
1.
Open real big. I felt popping on the left, right? Felt it up more or less. No popping on the right? Okay, all right. Now I'm gonna start checking all these muscles, okay? Is that tender?
Yes.
1, 2.
1.
All right.
It's
Compared
sore.
to this one. 1 on the left, still a half on the right.
Yeah. Thank you.
Gotta get this bit good. Sore.
A little bit.
1.
1.
Right there.
Less than 1. Sore.
1.
1.
A little more.
1. Yes. 1.
1 on both. Sore.
Yes. 1.
So, okay, so here we're going to go right side temporalis. Right here. Oh, I can feel it.
Yes.
1.
1. Yes. I feel this one is more.
Okay. 1.
1. Yes. 1. It here's sore.
1.
Yes.
Going toward a 2, I can kind of see ya.
Yes, it's sore.
Oh, that's a 1. Towards 2, you jumped. That's pushing a 2. That's more sore, isn't it?
Yes, that's more sore.
Yeah, you can tell when she jumps, you know. And she can tell she's clenching. I can tell that. Okay, next. Sore. 1, 2.
Oh.
All right, so I'm going to do the lateral pterygoid. All right, close a little bit.
It hurts.
That's pretty sore. Wait till I get this left one.
It's sore.
Yeah. She's. Now I will tell you about her. She's tolerant. A lot of people are going. She's a tolerant young lady. I mean, you really are. You're tolerant to some pain. I'm telling you, really. Yeah, I would say 3 and 3. I don't want to gag you, but I got to feel inside here. Pain.
It's not painful.
Gag. Yeah, okay. Because I got to reach that muscle. Sore.
A little bit. What?
She's doing a little test on you. Everything.
Oh,
Okay. You
okay.
get a
You can follow
joint.
me.
So now I'm going to hook you up to the machine right back here. You can stay right there. Is that okay right there?
Yeah.
Okay. Now open real big for me. Close. So there's going to be like a little rhythm. I want you to bite down. I want to hear you bite. Just like that, okay? Then I'm going to want you to bite really big. Just like that, okay?
Okay.
Bite. Bite. So what it does, it kind of shows me a little vibration.
I can hear this one.
You tuck, tuck, wide, tuck, wide. Because we're done with this.
Thank you.
Close your teeth together. Bite down on your back teeth. Good. Okay, turn your head straight for me. Straight down on your back teeth. Let me show him that. You can pull them out. Good. Come on. Stay. Keep your head straight, but pull this hand back. Good. You pull this side back. Bite down on your back teeth.
I just come back from the dentist. I had permission to record the things. I'm recording this video in June. I pretty much recorded all the important processes. I was on the 2 machines. The first one just me, like there's a machine and I set my chin here, click something and the machine go around my head. And the next one is I stand there and the machine like go in my ears and a machine in the front to hold me stay in place. For the jaw, the dentist also asked if I had accident about my jaw when I was like a child. So the only thing I remembered is when I ate the sugar cane very hard, and I ate a lot when I was a child, and once I hurt my jaw. I bite it and I heard very loud click, especially this part of my jaw. The pain was gone like in several days, so I didn't pay much attention about this. So my jaw is making noise and clicks. Another thing when I was a child, after I hurt my jaw and I was afraid my jaw might fall. I was afraid the hook would disconnect it and fall. I don't know why I had this thought, but I had. I don't know if it's true if you get hurt on your jaw and your jaw will fall, and I don't know. It sounds scary. I grinding my teeth a lot, very much. This is the thing I wear every night because I grinding so much. The back part of my teeth already grinded flat. If I don't wear it, eventually my teeth will fall. I have to wear it even though it is very uncomfortable. So my husband got scared when I grinding my teeth so hard at night, and it woke him up. So my husband got me this mouth thing to prevent my teeth get even flatter. I hope the grinding situation will be better. And I'm surprised on the question form they ask if the ear plugged. Maybe my ear plugged is my jaw problem. So they will have the result ready in 2 months. So my next appointment about my jaw and my teeth is in August. We will find the result and to see if I need to do jaw surgery. I hope not. I don't want. Sounds very scary, right? And I know that a lot of people like do jaw surgery because of the beauty, but in my situation it's not about the beauty, it's about if I need to do this or not for the health. I hope not. I don't want to do this, and also a surgery will cost a lot. For the jaw surgery, it will cost like so much. But for the braces, because I'm not a teenager, I'm 27, so I'm not sure if the insurance will cover it. So it will cost a lot to fix my teeth. I really hope there is a way to fix my jaw without surgery so much. It'll be very scary. I hope everything will be fine, and I will keep you guys updated. So the updated video will be in August. So let's see the result. I hope this video gives you an idea what is the process looks like. I really like the dentist. He was very careful to check my jaw and teeth. This is the same dentist took care of my teeth, my cavities, and my gum disease. He's a great dentist. So you probably see that he checked the end of my jaw. Do you guys remember when I was in Seattle? I got hurt when I went to a dentist and she hurt the back of this part really badly. This part is very sensitive because I got jaw clicking problem, and so when the needle goes in and it just hurts me so badly. But with the dentist in Georgia, he didn't hurt me at all. It was no pain. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I will keep you guys updated in August and to find out the result, whether I need to do the jaw surgery or not. Bye bye. I will see you in the next video soon.